some Apple news, kind of. Apple iPhone and Samsung Galaxy beaten by radical new smartphone. And this is not Apple, Samsung, or even Google. Ladies and gentlemen, this is ZTE with new smartphone which is coming September the 1st. And actually, so next month we'll see the launch of an entirely new smartphone design that has so far eluded every major manufacturer, including Apple and Samsung. So this is an interesting report from ZTE. And as you know, ZTE is a Chinese company which is not allowed to sell phones in the States. The same as Huawei smartphones. But this is interesting to see. This is going to be the first smartphone. So let's see what else we can see in the article. So last week, Chinese manufacturer ZTE announced plans to produce the first smartphone with an under-screen selfie camera. Now we have known that the new device called the ZTE Axon 20 5G is due to launch on September the 1st. Selfie significantly ahead of any company's manufacturer. So interesting. In recent press release, ZTE claims that Axon 20 5G will be the world's first mass-produced 5G smartphone featuring an under-display camera. That new camera allows for all-screen smartphone that does away with any unsightly punch hole or notches. This development marks the last in a series of breakthroughs for a company which can also lay claim that the first 5G smartphone, first foldable smartphones, first pressure-sensitive display, and first smartphone with a naked eye 3D display. So this is a huge statement from ZTE, and it's interesting to see what's gonna happen, and we'll see what the other companies will do, like Apple, Samsung, Google, and so on. But yeah, ZTE, interesting. That's good news for ZTE.